That is so pretty.
Welcome to the Lost River Range. This is the entrance to it.
I am having a hard time thinking of a spot that we've been to that tops this right now. Like, I legitimately am sitting here trying to think of where I've been that may beat this right here. And I can't think of anything.
I really think the only other spots is if you go to Utah or if you go to Colorado. Like, it's just simple as that.
Just left Utah. I'm on my way to Idaho. So have you seen the video where I went out to Leslie Gulch and the Alfred Desert and all that stuff? If you haven't, I'll link it above. But you may recognize some of the rigs that I'm meeting up with out here in Idaho. Looks like they got a trail planned out, so I'm tagging along with them. They just sent me the coordinates to their spot. Looks like they're up in Fish Creek Reservoir. So I'm gonna head up there and meet with them. This is a pretty scenic drive. All right, just met up with everybody. We're going to, actually I forgot where. Hey, where are we going to again? What trail is this?
We're going to Double Spring Pass. That's the road. And then we're gonna take a ride onto Horsehaven Pass and then drop down into the Pashamiri River.
Yeah, it seems like a really fun trail. Wherever we go, honestly, I trust Jacob to lead us. So he knows a lot of cool trails and everything. But anyways, I'll see you guys when we get there.
I watched a long time ago. I am going to be so happy. It was so pretty on TV.
I mean, everything looks good in 4K, but yeah, it's gonna be pretty epic.
Why is that little mountain up to the, well, it's not little, the mountain to the right, why is it more like white?
Probably from the different types of rock minerals that it's made out of. I think it's washed away. Yeah, I'm not sure. Alright, so here's MK Reservoir. Looks like there's some cool spots down here on the water. You can pretty much just pull off one of the roads, cruise down to the water and camp, and look at that view. Man, we might need to camp there on the way out, Bev. Yeah, this is definitely a nice area. We're gonna have to come back out here, Bev. So I think if we leave the house a little earlier on Friday, we can probably push to Argo, grab gas, cruise up here to McKay, camp at McKay, and then we're closer to the Lost River Range. If you look at this hill on the right, you can almost see ripples like on the side of the hill that look like where there was like layers of waves kind of crashing into it from a shoreline. Oh yes, yes. So that's usually evidence that there was a body of water here, or there was an iceberg, or something, a sheet of ice here that, you know, kept like melting and whatever, or the waves pounding into it.
There's the sawtooth on the left.
No, the sawtooth would be to our north. They're north of Boise, north and east.
Range is that at 11 o'clock.
I believe that is the Lemhi or Lemhi range, but I'd have to double check when we get to camp and look at directions.
We're going up and up and over there.
I really think I like this area more than Seymour, which is crazy.
But there may be, I mean, it's the perfect time to hike. But also, I don't know how many trucks or cars come out this far.
We're getting somewhat close to the fork. Until we move to Idaho. that we've been to that tops this right now. Like, I legitimately am sitting here trying to think of where I've been that may beat this right here. And I can't think of anything.
I really think the only other spots is if you go to Utah or if you go to Colorado. Like, it's just simple as that. All right, so we are going to the East Fork, Upper Pashmira. The West Fork is the trailhead, but right here is where you can choose your own adventure. Both spots are amazing, as you can plainly see. The right side has a nice little hike, 3.5 miles to the Upper Carlson Lake, I believe. And this left side, well, it's going to put us out in the River Valley, right along the Lost River. Love it.
I bet it's a lot more expensive. I really do like these wooden fences. They are really cool looking. It just adds like a touch to it.
Dude, those take so much time to build. Like, that's a lot of effort. But if you got a big family with a lot of boys, and you know, you can put a lot of stuff together way out here in the middle of nowhere. Like, that fence line runs, holy shit, it runs like another half a mile. Bev, go down a little further and see if there's a spot. Yeah, further down.
I'm pretty sure Bob Ross came out here and painted a couple pictures.
He just painted a few happy trees.
Happy trees, happy trees.
Only happy accidents.
That is so pretty.
Welcome to the Lost River Range. This is the entrance to it.
I love it.
Looks like the river's still lost. Can't find it.
They say it's never been found, but we may be the first. Challenge accepted. I don't know, it looked pretty dry down below, so we'll see if there's any water in it.
Call a helicopter in right here. Helicopter would drop right here.
Dude, there's an old stove in there. That looks so cool.
Yeah, that's
Like
that
a
cabin's
really
been
old
there for a hot
stove.
minute. I don't know how we're gonna top this one, Bev.
I don't think we're gonna, man. I don't know.
We might just have to keep coming back out here.
There's the stream right there, too. Is that where you guys were at?
That's the Lost River.
That's right there. We found it. We found it.
Finally made it to the Lost River.
Looks like there's a little spot right down there by the river. Nice setup.
It is super pretty.
I'm going to swing down there and ask him, does that look like it goes down to a little river spot there on the left, past the four-wheeler?
actually want to go right here. Yeah, that looks try a piece of shrimp, see how it feels.
Okay, if I have you Okay, so now you just gotta do the rice.
Sure.
Sorry. So good. Thanks, brother. Or anything?
Actually,
Yeah, it's right there.
All right, see you guys.